Where are you going? Where are you going? No, over here. Over here. No, stay over there. I need a gate for you, huh? I need to put up a gate. Okay, I got some for you. Nope. I'm going to put up a gate right here. What are you chewing on? What did you just pick up? Build a gate. Build a wall. Keep you in. Give me that. Let me have this. I'll give you something to try. That's too small. You'll swallow that. Let's see. What can you play with? Why you don't want to play with the things that's for kids? Okay, how about this? How about him? How about him? Mr. No Legs. Hey, Denzel, how about him? How about Mr. No Legs? There you go. That's right. There you go. Now you figured it out. Yay. Uh-oh, careful. Well, it's okay. Get up and try it again. When you fall, you just got to get back up and try it again. There you go. Yeah.